I guess defendant irritates judge by... No, okay. No, this might be a good next step. Zoom court, yo, I'm not gonna lie. If you fuck up Zoom court, you earned it. I have no sympathy for the people who fuck up Zoom court. Irritates judge by smoking, racks up 3 contempt charges. How do you get 3 of them? Zoom court's the easiest shit. Literally, all you gotta do, lean off the screen and hit your vape, right? I used to do that shit all the time. Or turn off your camera real quick. You can act like you're having technical problems. When COVID first started, I had like multiple active court cases and I have to do Zoom court because I just moved further south, right? Which ended up being a saving grace. Dude, anytime I wanted to like hit my vape or like I needed to smoke or something, literally flip. There's like 50 people in these usually, so you can flip your camera off real quick, hit the inhale, and then, you know, turn that bitch back on. If anyone says anything, oh, so I'm having issues with my camera, I'm sorry. You just gotta like, you gotta have finesse. Like, it's very easy to do this in Zoom court. You just gotta have finesse. Sitting in the driver's seat of your car smoking, never pointing the camera away from yourself, and then just not even, like, giving yourself some plausible deniability is not good.
Suggest you kind of take a deep breath and try to get rid of the attitude, because then if you don't, you may cause me to have to get an attitude too. So,
well, likewise, take that deep breath, do the same thing. You know what I mean?
Excuse me?
Yo, it's like you just aggroed Godzilla. It's like you just fucking... It's like Leroy Jenkins, dude. He just pulled the raid boss. Holy... That intro is heat.
We're in Eureka, Kansas for a hearing. 48-year-old William Wayne Phillips has been charged with speeding and driving with a suspended license.
Oh, William Wayne. That's 100% what I would name one of my GTA RP characters. William Wayne Phillips. Will Wayne. Holy fuck.
Earlier, Phillips
That's
was
heat.
pulled over for driving 86 miles an hour in a 65 zone. He was also cited for his second driving with a suspended license offense.
Oh my God.
Today, Phillips appears without an attorney before Judge Phyllis Webster to discuss next steps in the case. But before the hearing even begins, Phillips seems to have irritated the judge.
Okay.
Now, William Phillips, did the officer tell you not to smoke?
It's kind of hard to hear around here. I'm out of town on a construction site, and I'm the lead, so...
Judge Webster lets the cigarettes slide and moves on to the charges.
Okay.
Mr. Phillips, are you going to be
He for sure was able to hear. I feel like he was definitely just bullshitting her, but whatever.
hiring an attorney, sir? You could waive your right, though, and represent yourself, and we can either set this for trial or give you some time to talk to an attorney. What would you like to do?
If I need an attorney, I'm not going to get one from you guys. That's most definitely.
Okay, so you're going to hire an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let's put this on Monday.
Can it be scheduled after that? I won't be back in this area for the next, 2 or 3 months.
Do you want to try to do it before you leave? When are you leaving?
I'm already gone. That's the
you're
thing.
already-
I'm in Independence, Kansas.
Well, that's not that far.
It is when I have to...
Wait, Eureka, Kansas is where this is? Let's look this up. What is he being... What distance is he being... This was Eureka, correct? Okay, so... Independence... Okay. Wait a minute. Hold on, guys. Okay, so Independence is right here. Okay? Eureka, Kansas is right here. Now let's zoom out. What part of Kansas are each of these? Where the fuck? Where's the borders of Kansas? Okay, so that's right there. Let's see what part of the state this is. Wait, what? Wait. Hello? That's not even what I searched for! Wait, hold on. This shit is broken. No, wait. This shit is broken. Wait, they're not even that far apart, though. I was trying to type in the... Wait, hold on. It's an hour! It's a 1 hour drive! This guy's tripping! He's like, I'm out of town. I'm on the work site. I can't do it. This is a 1 hour drive. What? Dude, I used to drive 2 hours to my court dates in Bloomington. What? Thank God that case got dropped, bro. Shout out my fucking lawyer. What? He won't drive it. That's his excuse? And he name drops a town only an hour away?
Work. I mean...
All right, sir, I'm detecting a bit of an attitude, and I've had a bit of problem with you all day long. I suggest you kind of take a deep breath and try to get rid of the attitude, because
I feel like this judge has actually been really kind to him. Even ignoring him smoking the cigarette, which she totally could have pressed him on. I actually feel like this judge is being pretty cool, no?
then if you don't, you may cause me to have to get an attitude too. So,
Like, what other judge is warning you, like, you might cause me to get an attitude? Like, what?
Take that deep breath. Do the same thing. You know what I mean?
excuse me?
Uh-oh.
I said, Sam, do the same thing. Take that deep breath. Goose fraba.
Yo, even the court security guy is like, what?
Some of the others on the call seem amused by Phillips' comments, but the judge is not happy.
All right, Mr. Phillips, you know what my title is?
Oh! Oh, she's crashing out! Look at her!
But that doesn't give you the right to belittle me or anybody else in your court.
I am finding your
Dude,
content.
the security, that's like chat mods. That's a Twitch mod. That guy, he will ban you from the room. If you hit that cigarette one more time, you're getting kicked out of this Zoom. Okay?
Contemptuous because you're interfering and disrespecting the process and the court. You are hereby fined for direct contempt of court $100
Get taxed.
cash.
That's fine.
You've complained that you can't be here when I tell you to, that it's inconvenient because you're maybe a couple hours away. Some of these people are in other states. So don't tell
That's
me.
not this case. That's not this case. This is my case, not their case.
Yes, it is. And that's
No, it's-
$200 for contempt.
Oh! Up the fee on him! Up the ticket!
You better get a clue who's in charge here. $200, Mr. Phillips, due in court Monday.
Everyone else is in disbelief.
Or you can serve 3 days in jail.
Oh!
I have found you in direct contempt of court. You owe the court
I don't owe you nothing. I owe the court and the state of Kansas. See, that's your problem. You're taking your own personality into your law, and that's not appropriate. Can we hurry up and get this over with?
$500 cash for direct court.
Up the fee! Up the fee! Up the fee, Miss Webster!
And
fine.
I order you to surrender yourself by 2:30 today to the Butler County District Court.
I cannot do that.
Well,
Because
then
you're
I'll
making me-
send a sheriff out to get you.
I'm gonna hire an attorney. I am gonna get off this Zoom, and I want this sent to my email. And I demand this footage because I'm gonna take this and I'm
Yo,
going
court
to
security,
appeal
that boy, I want to see him stand up and just walk off right now. He's going to get him right now.
all of this. The whole time.
All right, I've given you my order. Disconnect him from the call. He better be here.
Yeah, there, here he goes, security.
I will not be there.
Missy, disconnect
I
him.
was trying to reschedule it. So
All right, folks, let's move on.
Phillips failed to show up in court that day, and a bench warrant was issued for his arrest. After spending 6 days in jail, he was released on a $1,000 bond. His case is pending.
Wow. William Wayne, you blew it. Dude literally got spliffed up by the court security. Look at all the other people in here, too. I mean, I guarantee everyone else got a nicer side of the judge that day because he took all the aggro. 100%. Like, our boy Will Wayne, he was the fall guy. I feel like, yeah, that judge was actually really cool. Wait, no, bro, court security's gone. Yo, I'm not even kidding. Bro actually got up to go. Look, right here. Here's where he locks in. He says, all right, I'm dialing his location in. Right here. Bro locks in. Next time you see the full screen, there is no court security. Court security is out the jam. That boy's gone. He's taking him into custody. Wow. I just don't get it, though. Like, dude, some people really do it to themselves, you know? That was a genuinely cool judge.